Magandang araw mga kababayan ko, mga kapwa ko Pilipino, mga OFW, kung saan man kayo napadpad sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Ito na, manifesto ng taong bayan, umarangkada na, 5,005 na yung pumirma sa manifesto ng taong bayan na ginawa ni Captain Dado Enrique. So hours ago lang, oras lang nakalipas, ito na yung pirma niya, 5,500. Panoorin nyo lang. Kung gusto nyo malaman ang link o ang paano pumirma, pumunta lang kayo sa kanyang Facebook. Ilagay ko dito sa aking video ang Facebook niya at ito yung mga manifesto niya. So pwede ka mag-sign, pumunta ka doon sa kanyang Facebook at doon kayo mag-click ng link, or pwede din kayo pumunta doon sa isang vlogger na si General Macanas or General Opinion. Nandoon ang link sa kanya. Alam niya kasi kung paano i-upload ang link, pero ako hindi ko alam, kaya pumunta kayo doon or pumunta kayo sa Facebook ni Captain Dado Enrique. Ilalagay ko dito ang kanyang Facebook. So ayun, panoorin natin ang kanyang video, pero bago yan, baka pwede makahingi ng isang subscribe, like, share, comment, at huwag din kalimutan pindutin ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa aking mga video na i-upload. Tara na, panoorin natin, let's go!
Mas maganda mag-resign si BBM. Mas maganda. And for me, I am withdrawing my support dun sa presidente natin. And effective immediately, I recognize BP Inday Sara Zimmerman Duterte as the President of the Republic of the Philippines now. Pinag-uusapan dito yung future ng bansa. Presidente ka ng Pilipinas, sumisinghot ka ng droga, question mark, yes or no, question mark yon. Pero hindi pwedeng isapalaran na hintayin ko ebidensya. Another day goes by na nagdodroga ka o whatever, it's bad for the country. Wala na yung trust and confidence ko. Ako mismo, inaako ko. Ako, wala na akong trust and confidence. Tumahimik kayo mga vlogger, no, na mga troll. Wala na akong trust and confidence kay BBM. So, simula ngayon, BBM ang tawag ko, Bongbong Marcos. Mr. Marcos. And sa tingin ko, it's BP Sara by way of succession. Sa preamble, we, the sovereign Filipino people, imploring the aid of God Almighty, na pwede siya matanggal by impeachment. Impeachment. Ang problema, yung impeachment is a numbers game. Kontrolado mo yung Senado at saka yung Congress, paano ka matatanggal? Pero at the same time, si Sara Duterte na hindi nila kaalyado, seemingly now, pwede nilang tanggalin because sa numbers game, lahat sila boto tanggal si Sara Duterte. Diba? Octopus na pagka nahawakan ka ganyan, kakainin ka na lang. That's why you have to protect Sara. When you protect Sara, you protect the father. When you protect them, you protect the country. You protect everyone. So the equation is you take down, you take BBM out of the equation by withdrawal of support. Hindi na kita kinikilalang presidente, which automatically BP Sara, by succession in the same constitution, she goes up the ladder and becomes the President of the Republic. Very peaceful. Yung mag-attempt dyan na guluhin, the armed forces will come in. But the thing is, people who believe that may clear and present danger na yung presidente ninyo, hindi nyo pa nire-renounce. Ako, hindi ko na presidente. Sara Duterte na yung presidente ko eh. Yung presidente ninyo ay nagdudurog. Hindi ma-explain na pupuyat ngayon sila kasi baka lumitaw nga yung video kung totoo, lalong yari sila. Di ba? Anong gusto nyo? Magkagulo pa nun? Hindi, ako. Ngayon pa lang, withdrawal ako ng support na because kitang-kita na something is wrong with this administration, nawala na yung trust ko sa kanila. And I have the power as a citizen of the Republic, nag-iisa nga lang ako. Pero It would be a different story kung nadagdagan ng isa. Uy, milyon na. And then so on. Walang magawa silang lahat. Because the Constitution was ratified by the Filipino people, and the Filipino people can speak out and claim yung destiny nila, yung future nila, and yung sovereign will nila. If ayaw na kay BBM because in question, Sara becomes president. Military men, PMAers in the service and active and retarded. So, given yung situation natin ngayon, you weigh it, no? And then when we are confronted with a dilemma, whether what you're going to do is honorable or not, or what that person is doing is honorable or not, you test the two basic questions. You apply the two basic questions. BBM, did you intend to deceive the Filipino people? Yes or no? Yes. Campaign ka. Ano sinasabi mo? We do not lie, cheat, steal, nor tolerate among us. Tayo yung magtotolerate o hindi magtotolerate. So in this case, did you intend to deceive the Filipino people? It's a glaring yes ang sagot. Why? Because kung titignan nyo yung past 1.5 years, plus yung campaign, ano sabi niya? ICC, bisita lang. Tourist lang. Ano ngayon yung ICC? Na hindi na tayo member, papasok, titirahin si Duterte. Anong klase yun? Di ba? Si Sara, Uniteam. Tapos ngayon, tinira si Sara, nasaan siya? Anong klaseng tao ang tawag doon? Manggagamit. Ginamit mo yung popularidad ng Vice President mo, hindi siya tumakbo para wala kang kompetensya, pinahiram sa iyo yung botante, nanalo ka, naging presidente ka, and then you dump her. What kind of a person is that? Manggagamit. What kind of a person is yung nagsinungaling ka? Nagsisinungaling ka Sinabi mo ganito. Hindi yan papasok. Kung pumasok yan, ano lang. Sinabi mo yung foreign policy, hindi yung US. Hindi yung US, wala. Anong ginawa mo? Ayan na, may additional bases na. May ed ka na. Vic Rodriguez, di ko alam yung kwento bakit tinanggal no? Imagine, halos sip-sipin yung ano mo, yung quit mo, yung talagang kahit saan sortie kasama, tapos biglang tanggalin mo, sana man lang, ano yun? Yung mga, you see, attorney tricks, kinuha niyo yung tao, nananahimik, biglang tanggalin nyo, di ba? Ang daming red flag kung titignan mo, analyzing it now, ang daming red flag. Kaya, anong klase yung tao na matapos mong gamitin, ayun, manggagamit, matapos mong pakinabangan, pipitikin mo. Tama ba yung maganda bang klaseng tao yun? Anong klaseng tao na yung Duterte na tatay, pinalibing yung ama mo, 5 presidente nakaraan, na walang nagawa? Samantalang Duterte spent his political capital and yung tibay niya, yung tigas niya. Sino magreklamo? Tapusin na natin to, libing. Libing ang Panambayani, full honors pa. Tapos nun, titirahin mo ngayon sa ICC. Wala kang utang na loob. So, lumalabas itong presidente ko, ninyo, tapos na kami. Yung presidente ninyo, walang kwentang tao. Pero yung presidente ka ng Pilipinas, Supreme Commander ka Di ka pwedeng gaganong-ganon. Kaya nga, mas mabigat yung responsibilidad ng presidente, kaya dapat mas mabigat ang expectation ng tao, mas mahigpit tayo. Kasi yung future ng bansa at ng buong katauhan ng Pilipino, nakadepende sa isang tao na yan. The question lang is, did I intend to deceive? Yes. did I intend to take undue advantage over the Filipinos? Again, yes. So, this guy is not honorable. AFP, mga retired na mga AFP mayor, he is not honorable. Because may isa siyang sinabi, takbo akong presidente, boto niyo ako, sama-sama babangon tayo muli. Oh, nasaan yung presidente? Nawawala nga, tayo bumabangon. Ngayon, lumulubog yung barko mo, nasaan yung kapitan? Yon, yung nasabi ng ni Sas, inurakot yung pera, ganyan, niloloko lang tayo. Sabi naman ni Marlica, nandun di sa barko. nasaan yung kapitan? Nandun, sumisinghot. So, paano? Nasaan ang Pangulo? Ako, ang tanong ko, nasaan yung pangalawang Pangulo? Step up, save the country. Save the boat. And we will support you. Madam President, ano ang pwede mong gawin? Ano ang kailangan naming gawin? Suporta kami sa iyo. You want to declare a revolutionary government? That's your call. You're the president now. You want to abolish Senate? That's your call. You are the president now, as far as I'm concerned. But if other Pinoy survivors in this channel and other people from all walks of life, all Filipinos, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, global Pinoys, OFW, follow suit and then inangkin nila yung sinasabi ko na we have lost our trust and confidence and we are announcing our yung withdrawal of support dun sa kay BBM, then you automatically become the president. Since it's stated in the Constitution, the people of the Philippines, so this 32 million yung boto ni Inday Sara. When the 32 million Filipinos so decide, we are declaring that we are withdrawing our support and we do not recognize BBM as the president. Sara is our president. Ganun kasimple. May nakalagay sa konstitusyon na kailangan lang siya, impeachment. Marunong pa kayo sa taong bayan. Sinabi na nga ng tao Sabi ko na nga yung logic Yung constitution is a piece of paper unless ratified by the Filipino people. We, the sovereign Filipino people, nagbigay buhay at spirito sa Constitution. Now everybody follows the Constitution and all laws in the land emanating from the Constitution. And this government, this legislation coming na dapat consistent with the Constitution. At that moment, tonight or today, Rizal Day, everybody feels, ang gising mo, wow, I feel like a Rizal. I feel like a Rizal. Happy New Year! Rizal, ano ba magagawa ni Rizal? Peaceful transition. Yun ang gusto ko, yung by use of my pen. So, withdrawal of support. Millions of Filipinos. Talo Constitution because it is the sovereign will of the people. BBM administration et al. Sorry, pero panay bobo yung kasama nyo Panay bobo yung kasama nyo. Because how can you suppress the Filipino people? They're now going out. Ayaw na nila Galit na. So, ang hope ko, si President Sara will do better. You cleanse this country, tutulungan ka namin, hindi lang ikaw. Tutulungan ka namin. Alangan mo, nag-iisa, hayaan natin nag-iisa, hindi. Tulungan natin that in our generation, with a presidency of Sara for 4 years and then another 6 years, that's 10 years, maybe the Philippines will be a Singapore. Yun sa akin. Sabi ko sa inyo, regalo ko sa inyo itong huling buhay ko, regalo ko sa inyo itong Christmas at New Year. Inisip ko, why not withdraw my support kay BBM? And maybe kayo, aangkinin nyo rin yon. So, tayo, withdrawal of support kay ako, withdrawal of support kay BBM. Sara becomes my president. Diba? Yun yung ano ko. Okay, yung sa manifesto, may sabihin nyo lang, doon sa comment section, sa dito, pagka pinost ko to, kung ano kayo, magsasign. The manifesto is a withdrawal of support. In the summary, withdrawal of support, no? Okay, basahin ko sa yung manifesto, pakinggan nyo na lang, malapit na yung time eh. Then you indicate your name if you want to, para pagka pin-read out ko to, kasama na yung pangalan nyo as one of the. Huwag yung bibigay yung signature nyo mismo. Sabihin nyo lang, I sign, tapos pangalan nyo, and kung OFW, probinsya nyo, country, o kaya kung retired kayo military man, sabihin nyo lang na ano kayo, kung ano ranko nyo, tsaka, hindi naman na kailangan ranko, sabihin nyo lang na ano, kung army o whatever. But kung ano yung gusto nyo ilagay, at ano yung profession nyo. Manifesto ng taong bayan. I have 3 minutes. Para sagipin ang inang bayan. I still have to look kung kinakailangan pa itong yan, i-correct, ano. When the government, I just want you to know, na yung ano niya, yung laman niya. When the government we installed takes a path of oppression, suppression of truth, justice, our basic rights, our freedom of expression. When the government cultivates a culture of corruption, deception, coercion, and colludes with the enemies of the state. When government officials use existing laws to protect themselves from prosecution or to sow fear, takot tayo, amongst our citizens. Kakasuhan na nga raw yung mga vlogger daw eh. When the government puts in peril our democratic processes and the future of our country, we, the Filipino people, voice out in the loudest terms our grievances, point out the wrongs we see, seek transparency and accountability in the disbursement and liquidation of government funds, demand justice for the oppressed, and we strongly demand better governance. And when our demands fall into deaf ears, are met with arrogance and abuse of power, when we develop the feeling of hopelessness, wala nang pag-asa, tayo, betrayal of public officials, tinatarantado tayo, and the uncertainty of our future, delikado tayo, nagdodroga yung presidente, question mark, at magpapayama silang lahat. We seek redress by exercising our sovereign will. That we, the Filipino people, effective immediately withdraw support for the President Ferdinand E. Marcos Jr. for betrayal of public trust. And we recognize BP Inday Sara Zimmerman Duterte as the President of the Republic of the Philippines by way of succession pursuant to Section 8, Article 7 of the 1987 Constitution. In God we trust. I sign. So, ayun, ipopost ko yung gusto pumirma kayo. Kung ayaw nyo, wag, walang pilitan yan. Nung troll, pirma na rin kayo.